everybody, it's Miss Kerri. Today we're going to do a science experiment, and I love science. Science is a fun subject because you can discover so much about the world around you and just basic things like our experiment today. So today we need a dish or a plate that's white or light colored. We need a bag of Skittles, and we need some hot water or warm water, not cold, preferably. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a really cool pattern with Skittles, and we'll see why the reaction that we're gonna find out why it does what it does with water and Skittles. It's kind of neat. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your Skittle pack. Mine is already open. And we are gonna take our Skittles and we're gonna put them around our plate or dish or bowl if you have it, and we're going to go just around the outside, just one single line. Okay, so now that you have your Skittles lined up around your plate or your shallow dish, we're going to take warm water, and it works better if we use warm water. You can use cold, but warm works better. So we're going to start slowly pouring it in. And just a little bit to coat the Skittles. And now if you watch carefully, you will see that the color is dissolving away from the Skittles. Just keep an eye out and you see all the colors starting to swirl together. Scientific method, scientific method, scientific method, scientific method, scientific method, scientific method. Isn't that a really cool pattern in colors and mixture? Isn't that neat? So what happened was we had a reaction, and that's a fancy science word for two things that the state of that object had changed. So Skittles, like this little guy here, are coated with sugar and food coloring. That's what gives it the fun taste and the fun color. And when you add warm water to the Skittles, the sugar and food coloring start to dissolve. And they have similar amounts coated on them. Each Skittle, whether they're different colors or not, they have similar amounts coated on them of sugar and dye. So they dissolve at similar speeds and they stay in their lane. And this is what you get. You can always take different colored Skittle packs and warm water and another white shallow plate or light colored, and you can try this experiment again and again and see what color patterns and what colors mix together and what color patterns you get. Thanks you guys for watching, and I hope you guys keep experimenting.